let's talk about a super common Python trap. Seriously, it gets almost everyone at some point. It all started when a developer, Timothy, found his code acting, well, really weird. He wrote this simple function, right? All it does is add a student's name to a list. He runs it the first time with Alex, and yep, works perfectly. No problem here. But then he calls it again, and wait, Alex is still there. Why wasn't the list empty? His mentor, Margaret, knew exactly what was up. It all comes down to one little Python rule. And here's the secret. Python creates that default list only once, right when the function is defined. So every time you call it, you're actually messing with that same exact list. This whole problem only happens with mutable things, stuff you can change, like lists or dictionaries. So can we actually prove this list is kind of sticking around? Oh yeah, we totally can. Functions have this hidden attribute where they stash their default arguments. It's called __defaults __. And look, before we even run the function, you can see the empty list just sitting there. Now, after adding Alex, the default argument itself has changed. It is literally the same object. Okay, so that's the problem. How do we actually fix this like a pro? Well, Margaret points to the standard Python way. Just use none as a safe placeholder. See the difference? It's a tiny change in the function signature, but it fixes everything. You just check for none inside, and if it's there, you create a brand new list every single time. So let's wrap this up with a quick cheat sheet to help you remember these rules. It just goes to show knowing why things work is huge. It makes you wonder, what else is hiding in plain sight?